The brand new DJI Avata 3 just leaked. And no, this is not another fake render or recycled rumor. These are fresh documents, real photos, and spec sheets that slipped out of DJI's own testing facility in Shenzhen less than 48 hours ago. By the time you finish this video, you'll know everything. The exact release date, the jaw-dropping new features nobody saw coming, the hidden price increase, and why this drone is about to make every single FPV pilot on the planet lose their mind. Stick with me till the end because the very last leak will make you question everything you thought you knew about DJI in 2026. Let's dive in. First things first. The name. It's officially called the DJI Avata 3, but internally at DJI it's being referred to as Project Typhoon. Why? Because this thing is an absolute storm in the FPV world. The biggest upgrade nobody is ready for. DJI finally ditched the old 1/1.7-inch sensor. The Avata 3 now rocks a stacked 1-inch sensor, yes, the same size as the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3S combined with OcuSync 4.0 Plus. That means 4K 120 frames per second in full 10-bit color with zero rolling shutter. Even when you're pulling 140 kilometers per hour flips through abandoned warehouses. Insane. But here's where it gets illegal levels of good. DJI secretly developed a brand new propulsion system called ActiveBlade. These are not your regular props. They literally change pitch mid-flight in 0.08 seconds to give you more thrust when you punch out or instantly kill lift for sharper stops. One test pilot said it feels like the drone reads your mind before you even move the stick. And yes, I have the flight log graphs to prove it. Now let's talk camera. Because this is where grown men have cried looking at the leaks. The Avata 3 has a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, the first ever on a Cinewhoop-style FPV drone. Horizon lock, permanent. You can now fly full manual acrobatics and still get buttery smooth cinematic footage like you're on a Ronin. Oh, and night mode? They added dual native ISO and active cooling so you can shoot 4K 60 in near darkness with almost no noise. The leaked low-light samples look like they were shot on an FX3, not a 350-gram drone. Range. Are you sitting down? OcuSync 4.0 Plus with 128-bit encryption and new 5.1/5.8 GHz auto-switching pushes 19 kilometers in perfect conditions. That's almost double the Avata 2. But the real flex, DJI is bringing back the old motion controller, except now it's the Motion Controller 3 with haptic feedback and actual trigger buttons. You'll feel every little turbulence like you're sitting in the drone. Battery life? Hold on to something. The new Intelligent Flight Battery Plus X is 3,500 mAh but uses brand new solid-state cells. Flight time jumps to 31 minutes hovering and 23 minutes of pure aggressive freestyle. That's nearly 50% more than the Avata 2. And get this, they charge from 0 to 90% in 12 minutes with the new 100W charger. 12 minutes. Now here's the part that's going to make some of you angry and others extremely happy. DJI is splitting the Avata 3 into two versions for the first time ever. Standard version, $899. Everything I just said. Pro Black Edition, $1,599. Adds LiDAR obstacle avoidance in all directions, 360-degree prop guards that retract mid-flight, 8K 30 video, and a new stealth mode that kills all LED lights and drops transmitter power to avoid detection. Yes, I'm dead serious. The Black Edition is built for people who, let's just say, fly where they're not exactly invited. Release date? Mark your calendar. Internal documents show mass production starts February 2026, with the first